Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna easily create YouTube shorts. I mean, like, to get a boost. Let's say you're dropping views and you wanna increase your views. So I would suggest you that you do this method not daily but once per week. Okay, let's say a short video starts with a boy named John. So when you redo the video, okay, I'm gonna show you full step by step. When you redo the video, you wanna tweak the name, like change the name, the name of the boy to something like Ben or any American name. All right, okay. So let's say you have a short like this. So as you can see, this has like 191k views. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to grab the video URL and you want to change that. So the video URL is something like this. Okay, the video URL is this. You want to change the short, you want to add the watch like that, or you want to add like video, and then just copy and paste.
A little boy had a...
Now pause the video, scroll down, and you will see transcript. Click on show transcript, okay, and copy from this. Okay, copy all, copy the timestamp as well. Now head back to ChatGPT, log in, create an account if you don't have, and right here do this, remove timestamps from this script and paste it. All right, so once you've got your script, you're gonna see that script. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so why I did all in one lines, because when you will try to generate this, or you can do image by image. Okay, image by image generate. Okay, now just copy the script and note it down right here. You can also do on ChatGPT, remove all these punctuations, like those commas, punctuations, the dot, but I'm just gonna copy that. And next thing, what you want to do, bam, now go to flaky.ai. okay, as always, create an account. So once you've in the interface right here, it says welcome, click on script and paste the following script. You don't need to summarize it. Okay, just hit next and make sure that you choose the correct aspect ratio, which is 9:16. I'm just gonna click skip, and then I'm gonna choose AI media. Here I'm gonna choose 3D model. Choose a name, your voice, okay, or you can add your voice. You can try voice cloning. Okay, I'm gonna hit submit. Now there's another way to do this. You wanna go word by word, like this one. A little boy had a sick mother. Okay, so there you wanna do this, create and 3D anime model of a little boy has a sick mother. Okay, so this is gonna be the phrase, the first phrase. Then what you want to do, you're gonna go to Dreamina.
Anime model of a little young boy had a sick
all right,
mother.
so I'm gonna pause this video right here. So you're gonna go to Dreamina.ai. okay, so all you want to do is paste this, choose the correct aspect ratio and click generate. All right, Dreamina is free. I mean, you must log in through your CapCut Pro account. Okay, if you have a CapCut Pro account, if you don't have a CapCut Pro account, guys, you can ask me. Okay, I'm gonna give you a Discord link where I share daily giveaways. CapCut Pro account. Okay, so it's gonna generate 4 images. So you're gonna choose which one you like. Maybe something like this one, and all you want is to click on the HD and it's gonna upscale the image. Okay, it's gonna upscale it for you. Okay, choose whatever. So as you can see, I'm upscaling, and then simply hit download once you're happy with the image. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna download the first one. I'm gonna download the second one. Okay, you can choose whatever you need. You can tweak the script as well. Okay, as you can see, downloaded, and as you can see, there's a little AI overlay right here. So when you add the image in CapCut or any video editor, make sure that you scale the image, like to scale the image, and then you can add a filter like a 4K filter or clear. Okay, a clear filter, vivid filter on CapCut. Alright, you can use Dreamina. You can do this word by word. It depends on the script. You can do it word by word. Like the second line is gonna be create a 3D anime model of a young man, a young father. He was worried, we don't have any money for the treatment, whatever. So if you do line by line, guys, I know it's time consuming. Okay, so let's see on Flaky. Okay, so here we go. Flaky, guys, Flaky has created the video. Now if you don't like this type, click on the subtitle. Okay, always choose a font bangers. So I'm gonna like increase this. I'm gonna put some stroke right here. You can change the text like red. I prefer to go in white or yellow, and then simply click on horizontal and this align in the middle. Okay,
we're worried.
It's gonna automatically align to the middle. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you a trick. So all you want to do is to open OBS and then create another scene. As you can see right here, okay, I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna add a new display capture. Okay, disable capture cursor. All right, why I'm teaching you this, guys, you will have to record it. You will have to record and then press play right here maybe, and in CapCut we're gonna edit the timing, the start frame and the end frame as well. Okay, it's because if we click download right here, Flaky will download this video in not only in a poor resolution, in 720p resolution, but there will be a big overlaid like flaky.ai right here above the video, and it's gonna be pretty hard to hide that or to completely remove that. Okay, so this is the best way. So I want you to hold, okay, to hold down on the Alt key on your keyboard and then do this. Okay, like that. Do this proportionally like this. If you see any white frame, and now press Ctrl F, this is gonna resize it right here. Okay, so now just click record right here. So I'm gonna stop talking because my mic right there. Just increase the volume on your desktop or whatever, as you can see, and now click start recording and press play.
Create a 3D anime model of a little young boy had a sick mother. His father and he were worried toward. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, guys, is when you do this, make sure that you apply to all scene. Okay, apply to all scene, like this thing right here. Click apply on all scenes, so that when you go right here, the subtitle is in the middle. Okay, to open CapCut or any whatever video editor that you have, drag the videos right here, and click ratio, change that to 9:16, and now we're gonna scale the video. As you can see, now you can cut the video like that. Click this, delete left. Okay, delete from the right. So this is an example. Okay, I'm not gonna upload this video obviously.
Right here, you want to go to the audio. Let's just hear the audio.
Little young boy had a sick mother.
Okay, maybe something like that. You should increase the voice.
Worried. We don't have enough money for.
And as always, add a calm or background cinematic. Okay, just decrease that. Pro filter like a 4K filter, and then a clear filter like this, like that. Clear, add it to like 60 to 65%, and then simply click export. Okay, and always when you title your video, add this. Okay, you can do this. Go to ChatGPT and just ask, give me attention grabbing title for you can ask for SEO optimized description as well. You can ask for the relevant hashtags as well. And this, as you can see, is this right here. You can copy all and do a refine and make it shorter. Ask ChatGPT to make it shorter and refine the description, and copy and paste, and make sure that you use the relevant, you copy and paste these hashtags as well. Thanks so much for watching.